Guys, in today's video, we're gonna fill up the machine all the way. Yeah, isn't that right, boys?
Yeah!
I bet. Where should we go first?
I don't know.
To sewers.
I bet we're going to sewers.
We need a flashlight.
Someone bring a flashlight.
Wait, I have a question. Does anybody have a pickaxe? Yo.
Somebody has to mine. At least 2 people have to mine.
Wait, do these break?
No, they don't break.
Well, no.
Okay.
Chimpanzee.
We need a flashlight, guys. We need a flashlight.
I could bring a flashlight.
Okay,
Does anybody have the hip things? Because you could just bring them out and
Okay, let's go.
Wait.
Yeah. Oh, sorry about that.
What do you mean?
Sorry.
Like what? Wait for me. I gotcha.
Oh yeah, guys, remember to like and subscribe. That's so I can pay these gentlemen that I didn't kidnap out of a public lobby.
Look, let's go.
I kidnapped these kids from a public lobby. Watch out. Watch out.
Oh, shit.
Somebody keeps hitting me.
Where do we go? Oh, sorry.
Go.
Over here.
Look at the flashlight.
Heavy up!
Hey, watch out. You gotta do it like that. Holy crud.
Wait for me, I have the flash.
Guys, I'm at second parkour.
Hello? Where are you guys?
Second parkour. It's muscle memory by now, bruh.
Where?
It's muscle memory.
Just wait until we come back.
Muscle memory. Hey, Mimic. I'ma juke him. Oh, sup? Should we go? Oh, Bomby boy. Watch this. You dead? Oh,
Okay.
no, you're dead.
Let's go over here. Just a second.
Wait, where?
I
Monkey.
thought
Turn it off, turn it off.
the Green Crystal bought an RPG. Do we need it?
No.
Dang it. I got a Green Crystal.
He's already here. Like, we're already at 0 grav.
Yeah, I'm
Start mining. Just start mining.
It's weird why they removed it, like, right here. It's not even 0 grav. I have to use my grappler. There's no more floating exploding. Tell me when your bag is full, and I'll give you mine. Oh no! Oh shoot! Is that your flashlight?
Yeah. Don't worry about it. For now.
Yeah. Look at this. I'm gonna do something cool. Look. Look at that flashlight right there. Is that yours?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Wow, how do you have 0 gravity? Oh, shit.
I have 0 gravity, don't you?
Okay, there you go. I have 0 gravity.
Guys, where are you? You should have been here.
I was with y'all, then I lost y'all.
Gotta reach your point. Oh shoot. I'm low health.
Y'all go back where y'all was just at.
Oh my god, how do I see her?
Oh, I don't know.
How?
Big boy.
Oh yeah, that blue guy left. No, I didn't.
Guys, we're already at 0 gravity mining.
Yeah, I see the area.
Boop. Boop. I said boop. Boop.
Oh, I can't build anymore. Can't build anymore. Keep
It's
on
full?
mining though. Keep on. Yeah, there
Wait.
you go.
Come down here. Come down here. Down here.
Okay. You have my bag.
Oh, he
Oh,
dead.
just mine.
No.
Why the alien things kill me?
Wait, I can revive you. I didn't die, bro. I don't know where you guys are.
How did you die at the first time?
Because that alien thing reached out to me, then I died.
You know you're not supposed to touch it, right?
You're gonna get negative health soon enough.
Yeah, I do gravity thing I don't like.
Oh yeah, by the way,
Can I have
guys.
my backpack back? Can I have my backpack back? Can I have my backpack
You
back?
sure? It's full.
Ah, I know. Please, just give me it.
Why?
Just give me it. My headset's low. Thank you.
You know it's full already. That's why I gave you mine. Oh. Yo, his headset died.
You might want to show me.
Oh, you? Ow! Ow!
Sorry.
I think his headset died.
Yeah, he did that there.
Anyway, I have a VPN. So I can
Yeah, I
get
got-
all of these.
Okay, so which way do you go to get to 0 gravity?
Actually, we only just need one bag full and I can just dupe it. Actually, never mind. Meet us at spawn. We're coming. The only reason I'm mining these is because I want and more company coins. Alright, Chew. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now, where's the exit to this? Over here. Oh, no. Don't touch this. Or the flesh stuff. The meats. We have the meats. What do we do about Angler?
Angler?
I think.
Angler?
Oh, you hit me.
Just go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
Press the button. Press it. Okay, let's go.
Yay!
And we went into the space.
We're here. Okay, my friend's
Get
calling me.
out of the space area.
Yo, my friend just called me and it doesn't really matter, okay? I'm just gonna dupe the bags. Don't touch the bags, okay? We're gonna make. I'm gonna make a bag for all of us, okay?
A bag?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna make enough for us, all of us.
Oh.
Okay. No one touch the bags. So if I get enough uranium and I can earn the hard hat, I can get the hard hat cosmetic. And then if I get all the silver, it'll give me 100 company coins. Oh. Stop. Guys, if you want to make, if you, I'll do a tutorial how to get a VPN.
Another one bites us. What?
What?
Yo, you duped it.
Yeah. Okay, let me.
You can dupe the grapple. Wait, can you dupe a suitcase?
I can dupe anything.
A suitcase? Cause I have a suitcase.
Okay. I like the Terminator eye. Duck. What is that noise? It sounds like whispering. Huh. So what is this supposed to be? Is that supposed to be that? Oh yeah, guys. If I may,
At the end, can you do my suitcase?
Sure.
Cause we could get a lot of money.
No.
Do I have one?
Sure. No.
What about this one?
Yeah.
No.
Huh? I'm gonna dupe some more, guys, okay? Start. Guys, if you want me to make a tutorial how to get this VPN I'm using right now, just get me to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, 1,000. I know my goal right now is to get 50 to start live streaming, and then I want 500 for. So guys. What is all my friends calling me? If he goes in there, he dies. It's turtle fuel. What does that mean? Almost stopped recording there.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Yo, what's up, bro?
This
car.
Wait,
This car's run by Decahedron.
Oh, that's his friend. Oh.
Yeah. You can take these.
I'm gonna be a cave diver.
You can take.
Can I do another one? Cause I only have 28 on that.
Well, I'm gonna keep duping, okay?
I only have 18, bro. Bro,
18. So is the hard hat like an item or a cosmetic? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So yeah, 50,000. Reach subscribe and I'll make.
What are those for?
I'm duping.
What's in the bag?
It's uranium. It's uranium.
Can I grab one?
No,
Aren't
you the one I taught you how to get a duping machine just yesterday?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Sure, yeah.
Grinded.
I'm gonna get.
Help me, help me.
I'm gonna help him dupe, guys. I'm gonna help him
Okay,
dupe.
bet.
Yo, bro, can you do my suitcase?
Oh, he's dead. He's definitely dead. He's dead. Yeah, I don't know how he's gonna get out of this one, but he's for sure dead. Gosh, I remember that he's right there. I announced his name. Yeah.
Guys, I found this uranium. I found this uranium just sitting around.
Who's dead? How many bags do you have?
Wait, why is it not doing anything for me?
Yeah, because you have to pour it in. It's not if the whole thing. That's why I'm duping for everyone.
Can you give me a bag? I need my uranium. I need uranium.
Take in a uranium bag, but don't get rid of it. We still need it. Okay, pour it in.
Like just dump it in like this.
Skeleton dude.
I have 45. I need 5 more.
Can somebody dupe that
uranium? I still need 5 uranium.
Okay, use these, guys, use these.
Yo, bro, can you do something for me?
Yes, I got it.
You're like, I'm kind of doing this.
I got it. Now
Do I
we
have
need the
it?
silver. We need the silver now.
Yo, take it back and pour it in.
Silver? Oh, I'm getting that just so fast.
Yeah, and we need 100 though. Let's put 100 something for. Hold up, can someone give me a bag? Can I take guys? Let me know. Yo, you're supposed to give me that bag.
Give me a bag if it's empty. I think this, I don't.
How much is it?
Just pour it in, bruh.
No, I have the thing. I have enough stuff.
Yeah, but don't you want the money though?
I'm gonna go sell it. Wait, you somebody the uranium. Wait, does this sell it? Does this sell it?
Yes, it does. It does.
Can you do
Hey, yo,
this
Cause
real
I
quick?
run by Decahedron. Where are you?
What do you need me to do?
Hey, bro. We need pickaxes.
Yeah.
What else do we need? Wait, how do I look with this? Oh, this looks sick. We need a bunch of pickaxes. We need grapplers and bags.
Oh, there's a bunch of pickaxes.
We're a part of the mining crew, bruh.
Yo, do they watch your videos or something, or you just find them in a lobby?
I kidnapped them in a lobby.
Go tell them to subscribe to you.
Everybody in the lobby, subscribe to Sev_VR. Subscribe to Sev_VR. Yes.
Guys, now we need bags full of uranium, or not uranium, silver. I got you. I'm already in this mine.
Yo.
Okay, I'm going mining too. Snack.
There's a bag, Sev.
Okay, we're part of the mining crew. Let's go.
Grappler. And then I got a pickaxe.
Stomp.
Just don't smack me with your pickaxe like you did in the one lobby.
Okay, sorry. It's a new update, so where do we go? Nope, it's a new update.
Oh, not this way. Go
Guys, I'm
down.
coming to the mine.
Great, then you can
Guessing
find
this
us.
way and then
Where to go? Oh crud! Yo, I think that I did it.
Smack.
Stomp. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. Or did I tell you? Oh, they fixed the invincible. You know how they were like invincible? Like you couldn't kill them at all.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they fixed that.
How many times did you guys go mining here?
We didn't. Mimic, help!
Yo, where are you guys in that?
I have no idea. Why is there so many?
Why am I like the leader here? Sev, there's a bunch of silver over here. Oh!
Bro, how? There's two of them. Help! Mimic! Kill a Mimic! Finally. Oh, I thought you died. What the freak?
I'm about to die.
Finally.
Guys, there's a
Why
bunch
is there
of
so
silver.
many? Holy crud!
Sev,
What? Bro, why is there so many webs?
I don't know. I'm gonna go mine the silver though.
Yo, thanks for bringing me. Yeah.
Collect the silver I mine, Sev.
I'm mining too, you know.
Alright, let's collect.
How about let's just fill one bag full? Never mind.
Yeah, and then me and you can do
Yeah.
it.
For everybody.
Hey, go subscribe to him now.
Yeah,
so you're
subscribe.
gay.
Sub.
I'm in his videos.
I have all the silver in my
I'm
bag.
recording
I'm
right
coming
now.
in the bay.
We got all of them, but
Yeah, I'm in his videos.
oh shoot.
We missed one. Hey
Let's
guys,
keep
let's
coming
go
down
back.
here.
Let's go back.
Hey, don't even think about it. Yo, he's back.
Guys, let's go back.
Don't look at him. Don't touch him either. Oh God, I didn't do anything to you.
Bro. Ah, what did I do?
What did I do?
What did I do?
Yo,
What
man,
did I do?
being racist.
Doesn't make sense. Why do they have so much health?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Oh my God, bro.
What did I do?
Mimic's racist.
Mimic stupid.
Where are y'all?
What did I do?
Oh my God. What did we do? What did we do?
What did I do? What did I do? If I die, do it. Oh,
What the frick?
ow. Oh.
This doesn't make sense, bro.
It's the grapplers.
It's the stupid Mimic. He does this stuff.
What are y'all doing? I already got all this stuff in there.
Revive them.
Yeah. Why
You know, I got him. Go revive Sev. Bro, just revive him. I'll revive Sev.
Yeah, you're good now. You're good now.
I swear if I...
You're not. Okay.
Finally.
Sev. Get that big
I
old pickaxe out
I
of
have
here.
all
Let's
the
go back,
silver.
guys.
Go. I have all the silver.
Oh,
No!
oh my God!
Leave him behind, bro!
Leave it behind.
I got all the silver anyways.
He can respawn!
Yeah.
We got
We
a lot
got
of
the machine
stuff.
ready to put it all in one big bag.
I can barely even move because of how heavy my bag is.
For silver.
Yo, what's good, guys? You guys are slow.
I have a whole full bag of silver.
I do too.
I was
Oh,
just
shoot,
waiting
sorry.
for y'all at the machine this whole time. The reason I went mining before y'all, cause hey,
Looks like I don't need this
what
anymore.
are y'all gonna do?
Same with this. Same with this.
Same with this. I don't have that now.
Bro.
I also don't need myself either.
Yeah. Oh,
Or
shoot.
this.
I'm sorry.
Or myself.
I mean,
I need my dead
or
body.
myself. Be all dead.
I'm at 8,301,102. Bye-bye.
Yeah, I posted
A
the
baseball
video
bat.
of
I am
me
happy.
is introducing Cause I run my decahedron.
All right, bet.
I only have
I have
800 million.
300,750.
I bet. Let me see this. Let me see one.
So, guys,
Ningangu likuli kuli wata ningangu 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 likuli kuli wata ningangu ningangu. I'm stomp. Ningangu likuli wata ningangu.
F you guys?
Ningangu likuli wata ningangu. Ningangu. Ningangu likuli wata. Ningangu. Ningangu likuli wata ningangu. 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 Ningangu. Ningangu likuli. I'm sorry. I'm snog.
can you guys like signals?
Bro's cooked. Bro is cooked. I don't know why people say this is gonna be a live event even though it isn't. Like I know yo Scooby and Nutor, I know if you're watching this, skip over this. Yeah. I absolutely hate Scooby and Nutor. Or anybody that likes them for that matter.
The uranium. Oh wait, why can't I grab the uranium?
I think this should be enough, right?
Where'd
I
the
think this is
company go?
enough.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop that.
Oh no! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! No! Oh, I'm dead. I need to get up before they.
I got that.
Nom nom. gotta. No. What the goofy's going on? What is reactive fuel?
I do not know.
Guys, I think there's a whole entire
I know how
another
to fill
fuel
this one up.
that we don't even know about. Reactor fuel, so there's...
Everyone
Yeah,
grab
it'll be. What if we need to do that multiplied by like 16,000? I'm joking. It's for something
What
else.
does it mean, though?
What's
I
up,
mean,
guys?
it's gonna be in
Can you
another
guys-
update.
Can you guys
are
help me
you?
get and put uranium, silver, and
We're already done. We got all of it.
Yeah, we literally just duked silver.
Yeah, where were you?
Slow. Yeah, where were you guys?
I was getting just. We're done.
I am brother. They were inviting me to their thing, so I had to came over. I am brother. I just saw you, brother. Remember? So then I just
You missed everything, bruh.
Sev, kasarami Duckyhedrons jumping.
No!
Guys, can we join a different map?
Hi.
Or you want to be?
No. Come here. What can I buy in the shop for this many nuts?
It's a reindeer you can get, but you have to buy. But duck thing you need to buy.
Boys, it's time for a pool party!
The pool party.
Pool party.
What? I got the golden halo. When did I get the golden halo? Oh, it was the review. Oh. Thanks, Animal Company. Look what I got.
Rips off, puts on.
Yo, look what I got.
Guys, everyone
You're
go back to
angel.
spawn. Let's do a vote.
You're an angel. I didn't get it. They didn't give me it in time.
How you get the
I forgot. I forgot that I left that review.
I left it. They just didn't give it to me.
You have to leave. You have to
Take that
leave like a.
angel
No, did you like put it as 5 stars? Like it actually has to
Yes,
be
I
like
put it
a
as
good
5
review.
stars.
Like to down to heart.
It is.
Like you have to explain why you.
I put 5 stars.
Did you write anything?
No, I just put 5
Yeah,
stars.
yeah. That's why you didn't get it. Yep.
I kind of want to play Scary Baboon with Sev.
Bye.
Anyway, guys, it's gonna be it. Bye.